we have the Canon GL1, which is this camera right here. This came out in 1999 for, I think it's about $2,300. It was on the entry pro level. It used mini DV tapes. Yeah, that's I mean, that's pretty much all that camera offers right there. Then we have this one. This is the Ricoh GR3. This is a point and shoot. Wasn't made for video, but it looks great for the most part if it's actually recording properly. So the audio you're hearing is coming through this guy right here into the Canon GL1. The Canon GL1 I currently have set up as a tapeless camera. I don't own any mini DV tapes. There is not one in there. The tape drive does work, I just don't have one. I didn't buy one. I wanted to go tapeless, and this solution I feel works really well. Shout outs to these guys right here and right here. I'm gonna put those in there because I don't remember the names off the top of my head right now. Yeah, shout outs to them for this idea and process. I currently have this set up with an Immersion RC FPV DVR. These were initially made for drones, for drone goggles. It just happens to work properly with this because the cameras, these old DV cameras, have the AV out, so you can do it on like the VCR or your TV. It just so happens to work with this DVR properly, and this is the footage that you're seeing. It's fully digital, straight analog from here, and I think it looks pretty cool. It looks era, but the video itself does, I think, look really fucking cool. With the Canon GL1, it's an early mini DV prosumer camera. The GL1 runs at 60 frames per second, just like this one does. So both are being recorded at 60 frames per second at the moment. The Canon GL1 also has a 30 frames per second frame mode, so you get that more cinematic feel in your video. The Ricoh also has the 30, as well as the 24 frames per second. 24 frames per second is generally the Hollywood standard for that cinematic feel. The Canon GL1 has been used as a skate camera with a fisheye. That is something that I plan to use it for in the future. Currently I've been using my Nikon D7500 to record skate footage and photos. I've also made some attempts on the GR3 to do so, but I don't want to spend the money on those attachments. I got the GR3 for point and shoot street photography. I have my Nikon for pretty much everything else. It's my high-end camera to use if I want to go out into nature and do that sort of thing. I also now have this to use for any video projects I choose to. So this will be used in the future, like I said, for skate videos and for other projects. Here's some clips of the Canon GL1 that I've taken over the last 24 hours. I will also include a little info bit here of how to get the GL1 to not have the information when you record to the tapeless mechanism here. Probably stopped recording me probably 3 minutes ago. Yeah, I think the video on this one looks fine, 60 frames a second. This is the camera that I used to record the Steam Deck video on. I haven't uploaded anything from my Nikon on this channel, but I do have another channel, Leftover Stories, if you'd like to check that one out. You don't have to, I honestly don't care. But that will have Nikon D7500 footage on it. I think that's it. You know, I just wanted to go over this interesting new piece of tech that I got, something that I am very excited about, and something that you might be seeing more of in the future. I don't know, we'll see how everything pans out. Like always, how I end my streams. Thank you for watching, thank you for hanging out, saying what you're saying. That's it, it's done. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day or night, and enjoy yourselves. Go have some fun.